Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a asbestos testing service website. The platform that you'll be using is Wix Website Builder. And with Wix Website Builder, you can get started for completely free. So we're going to go onto wix.com, then tap on Get Started, and you can tap on their login option. Then from there, you can choose to log in either using your email address or your Facebook account. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. After selecting Create New Site, I want you to tap on Build on the Wix editor right here. Then you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. Then from here, you can type in Asbestos Testing Service on the search bar and you're going to tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll be able to add in your business name. So you could type in the business name right here. So for example, I'll just type in Asbestos. Then we'll tap on Continue. Then from here, you can choose the different features that you would like to add on your website. So I'm going to tap on Offer Services. If it is a case that you would like to collect leads or share knowledge, you can also select that. Then you'll tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you can see the different recommended apps. So we have the booking apps, and you can scroll down. If for example you'd like to add a blog app, you could do that. If you'd like to also add a chat bot, you could tap on Chat and you can see the different apps that you can add. Once it is to your liking, you'll tap on Continue, then select Continue to Dashboard. After selecting Continue to Dashboard, it is now time to explore or to add services better yet. So you're going to tap on Catalog from the left-hand menu option, then select Booking Services. And from here you can see some example services, and you can either scroll down and tap on Start from Scratch, so you could create a service from scratch as you can see right here, or you can choose to edit any one of their templates. Let's say for example I were to just edit a few templates. So for example, let's say this one, I could select this service, then add in the service name, change the cover image, also add description, change the duration right here, add a buffer time if I want, and by scrolling down you can choose the price point, whether it is a fixed price, varied price, or custom price. You can add that right there. You can also assign this particular service to a staff member. Then you'll tap on Save. After it has been saved, you can tap on the pop-up box to close it. If it is a case that you would like to start collecting payments online using Wix, you will tap on Getting Paid in the top left-hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Connect Payment Method. And depending on the country you're located in, you will see different payment options. At the moment, I'm located in Jamaica, so these are the payment options that I can offer. Keep in mind, if you were to connect, for example, TillerPay and other payment options, you will need to go onto their paid plan. But you can connect PayPal for completely free. And if we were to close out of that and tap on Set Up in the top left hand corner, you can continue editing your website. So by tapping on Design Site in the top right hand corner, then tapping on Pick a Template. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can see the different templates right here. And if you don't see one that you like, you could hover over Business and Services, and then you can select a particular heading. So let's say for example sake, I were to select this one. Then you can see recommended templates, and we're just going to be selecting one of these recommended templates for example sake. So let's say this one right here, and we'll tap on Edit. After you have selected Edit, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll now be able to edit how your website looks. And with Wix, it is completely easy and beginner friendly. All you'll need to do is hover over the section that you would like to edit, tap on it with your mouse cursor, and then from there you can make the changes that you want. So once it loads up, we're going to close the pop-up box, tap on plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and at the moment this is how our website looks right here. Now to make changes, you can go over to the top left hand corner for example's sake, and we're going to tap on search results and we're going to change it to the home page, as we're going to be editing the home page first. Then you can change the header section by simply tapping on the current header section, then tap on quick edit in the top left hand corner. You could change the name, so you could tap right where you see paragraph, change the name. You can also change the background. So if it is a case that you would like to change the background, you can tap on change. You can choose to change the color, or you can change it to an image. Once you're finished, you will tap on the X in the top right hand corner and continue scrolling down and making changes. So we could change this section by tapping on it, then selecting quick edit. From there, you can change the title and background images, as you can see right here. And by going over to the left hand menu option, tapping on the plus that says add elements. From here, you can choose to add either text, image, button, or anything at all that you would like to add onto your website right here. And to view the pages on your website, you will tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is pages. Then from there, you can see all the pages and you can see your site menu layout. If you would like to add a page, you can tap on add page, and from here you can see the different pages. But what I would recommend you do is go through and edit all pages. Once you're finished, you can tap on preview in the top right hand corner to preview the changes. And if it is to your liking, you will tap on publish, and that